Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Ford Focus battery. First, prioritize safety by wearing protective eyewear and gloves. Make sure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is set firmly. Then, locate the battery, which is typically found under the hood, though some models might have it in the trunk. This preparation ensures a safe and smooth process. Now, let's disconnect the terminals. Grab a 10 mm wrench and loosen the nut on the negative terminal. Always remove the negative cable first. This is crucial for safety to avoid any accidental electrical shorts. Once the negative is free, proceed to loosen and carefully remove the positive terminal cable. Keep the cables away from the battery posts. With the terminals disconnected, it's time to address the battery hold down. This is usually a clamp or a strap that secures the battery in place. Use the correct wrench or socket, often a 13 mm or 10 mm, to loosen the bolt or mechanism. Once it's loose, carefully remove the hold down entirely. This step ensures the battery is completely free and ready for removal. Finally, we'll lift out the battery. Be aware that car batteries are heavy, often weighing between 30 and 40 pounds. If you have a battery strap, use it. Otherwise, lift with both hands, bending with your knees, not your back. Carefully remove the battery from its tray. Place the old battery on a stable, non-conductive surface, ready for proper disposal or recycling.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.